Hello class, my name is Gagandeep and I am here to teach you mathematics for class 4th. Our first chapter is numbers up to 9,99,999. Theme is numbers. From nursery onwards, we start reading numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, and in class 4th we will study numbers up to 9,99,999. So first thing that comes in our mind is 1 is equal to 1, but 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. How it is possible that if we have 10 coins of 1 rupees, then we have piece 10. Then 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. Then 10 1, if we had 10 1, we got 10. Afterwards 10 tens is equal to 100. Like if we have 10 notes and 10 numbers of 10 notes of rupees 10, then we have in total rupees 100. Same as for 10 100 is equal to 1000. If we have 100 rupees, 10 notes of 100 rupees, then the total sum of 10 notes of 100 rupees is 1000. Now, one digit number. If we all know that from starting onwards, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's it. So up to 9. All the numbers 0 to 9 comes in our one digit number. They all come in one digit number. Then afterwards, two digit numbers. Two digit numbers start from 10 and it's up to 99. So what comes in our mind if we talk about one digit number? Then the smallest one digit number is 0. Our smallest one digit number is 0, smallest, and our greatest one digit number is 9. Greatest one digit number is 9. So afterward, two digit numbers, the smallest two digit number is 10 and greatest two digit number is 99. If we add 1, if we add 1 in 99, we all know 99 plus 1 is 100, and in 100 we got 3 digit. Then 100 is the smallest three digit number, and greatest three digit number is 999. Understand, students? And smallest 4-digit number is, and greatest smallest 4-digit number is 1000, and greatest 4-digit number is 9 and 9. Afterwards, our revision exercise. Our first question is, we have to find out 1-digit number from the given bubbles, given clouds, the questions. Then of 7 and 4, our 1-digit number. 10 and 79 are our 2-digit numbers. 43 also our 2-digit number. Then we have to find out 3-digit number, that are 111, 589 and 236. Okay, student. Afterward, we have to find out 4 digits number. 4-digit numbers are 5891 on the top, 1245 on the right of 5891, 2526, 1808 and 3604. That's all our 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit number from the question number 1. Now question number 2, write in words. We all know how to write numbers in word. In our previous class we have studied it very well. In 3rd class and 2nd class we studied it very well. First number is 2436. So we have to write down in words. 2436 only. Second one is 9849. 9849. Next question is question number 3, ascending order. In ascending order, we have to write down the numbers from smallest to the greatest. Then 2000 is our smallest number. Afterward 5672, then 6219, then 6725. Then we have to first write down this, then this, then this, and afterward then this. So 2085, 5672, 6219, and 6725. In descending order, we have to do opposite of the ascending order. We have to write down from greatest to the smallest. The greatest one is 8727. Afterwards 7782. Then 2787 and 2872. Which one is greater? 2872, 77 and 2787. In the last 8727, 7782, 2877, 2787. That is the correct order in descending. Afterward, the question number 5th, place value and the face value. What is the place value and what is face value? Face value of a number is the same as the number, and the place value of number on which place that number occurs. The place value of 1 is 1, 5 is 5, 0 is 0, and 7 is 7. Place value of 1 is 1, that is, it is come on the ones place. Ones, then 5 is on the tens place, then 5 and tens, 0 for tens. Afterwards 0 comes on 100 place. The place value of 0 is 0, and we have to write down 2 more 0 as it is comes on 100 place. Afterwards 7 on the thousands place, we have to write down 7, and afterward 3 0 for the thousand. So place value of 1 is 1 and face value is 1. Place value of 5 is 50 and face value is 5. 0 place value is 0 and face value is 0. Place value of 7 is 7000 and face value is 7 only. Write in expanded form. Our next question. So expanded form is very easy. Like we see and we say 5869. As we say, and afterward we have to write down 5000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 9. As we say 5869. Next question, 9000. We can write down 000 or single 0. Both are correct. 0 plus 6. That's all. Now our next question is question number 7. Write short form. We write our expanded form, extended form. Likewise, we have to short it down after expand. So 2706, then 2706. Tens place is vacant. There is no tens place. So we have to write it down 0 at that place. Same 5232. Simple, you have to write down. Every number is available there. Ones or tens, 100 or 1000. If there is any place missing, we have to write down 0 at that place. Ones place is 6, 100 place is 700 and 1000 place is 2000. Afterwards, fill in the blanks. The smallest 4-digit number using 9823. 9, 8, 2 and 3. We have to write down a smallest number using the 4 numbers. So what is the smallest 4-digit number using that numbers? The smallest number start from 2, because 9 is greater, 8 is greater and 3 is greater. The smallest number is 2. Afterward 3, then 8 and then 9. This is the smallest number, 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number using the given digits. Next question is predecessor of 5894. 5894. What is the meaning of predecessor? Predecessor means to previous. Like we have to go backwards by 1. We have to subtract 1 from the number. Then 3, 9, 8 and 5. So the number is 5, 8, 9 and 3. So predecessor of 5894 is 5893. In next question, we have to find out the successor of 1736. Like predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from the number, but in successor we have to add 1 in the number. Then 6, 3, 7 and 1. So 1736 is the answer of third bit. The question number 4 of filling the blanks. The series is A, B, C and D. The number which is 100 more than 559. 859. 100 more than 859. We just have to add 100 in 589. Then the number is 959. That's all. All the revision exercise completed here. Hope you understand. And I will send PDF of exercise in the group. Thank you.